Hello everyone. So today I will be talking about the scam of artificial intelligence marketing. So Elvis Penicela here. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with other entrepreneurs. So nowadays we have been seeing that we have a huge trend that's saying that if you wanna get some time and don't waste more money, you need to use intelligence to make a marketing for you. It's fully automated. So this is a cool option, but in the long term, in the effective term, so I can say you that this is a scam because we have been proven that people and machines don't write it the same way. And your customer, your clients will notice when they see a copy or script or a video that has been made by intelligence, and that's not something cool because this will not convert. So I have many examples because I've been auditing many business, and I noticed that those business who use fully automated marketing don't have too much how can I say, too much conversions because they use the tools that are robots. You can see that if you want to run a script and write by yourself, you can notice that you use some words, some tone, and some sequence of words that are more natural, some humanized script. And if you use a robot, a artificial intelligence, a computer, the script can be compelling for you because you are wasting less time and you think that, oh, okay, that's right. This got right to the point. But for the client, they see and they stay like, what can be a person talking like me, like that in this way? Because marketing, the scripts and the copies needs to be fully authentic, humanized as possible. So I think that many business fail nowadays because they want to use some tricks, and that's not a good idea because they use less time, yes, but they waste too much money because their budgets, their optimizations, the configuration that intelligence make you waste too much money, and that's not cool for you if you want to get more clients, more sales, and wasting less money. So if you want to have a high ROI, that's why you need to have a right business, a company, an agents, or someone that's expertise in this topic and can make these types of tasks for you. You can pay him less than you pay the artificial intelligence tools, but in the budget and at the optimization, the scripts may be more natural and you get more sales. So I hope you contact me. My email will be here at the description if you want to have effective marketing for your business with compelling ads, videos, and you can skyrocket your business. So contact me if you want effective marketing. Thank you. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.